Another myth of infinite banking is that it's only for older people or parents with dependents. What would you say about that?
Oh, I get this one a lot. Well, I personally don't have kids
You don't?
older, not that I know of.
Oh, okay,
Just
good,
kidding.
good, good.
I have a dog. That's all that I count as my child. So, no kids.
I'm glad.
No kids.
Personally, we don't have kids.
Whatever, you know what I mean. No, we don't have kids.
But anyway,
we still have like 3 policies myself, 3 policies himself, 5 policies himself now. So total that's like 8 policies between us 2. So no, we do not have kids. We only have a dog that we provide for. But you don't need to be old, and you're never too late, and you don't need to have kids for this type of policy because you don't. Yes, death benefit is a benefit to it, but you want to put on your banker hat. You want to put on the business owner hat, that you are now owning a business of a banking system where you can control your money.
Right.
You're creating your family bank to help your future kids and grandchildren and their kids so that they can look back and be like, thanks to our grandpa, we never had to go to a real, or grandma, we never had to go to a real bank system and had to have all this interest.
right.
And owe it to somebody else. Rather, we just kept it in the family because of them.
Nelson Nash talks about that the need for death benefit, the need for financing is much greater than the need for death benefit in your life. And so many people think about like, oh, I don't need life insurance right now. We're young.
To that.
Yeah.
Describe that a little bit more because you said it a little too fast.
The need for financing is greater than the need for death benefit. And what that really means is that we're going to finance everything in our lives. We finance our cars, we finance our homes, we finance our living expenses.
Furniture.
We finance our furniture. I don't.
We didn't,
you do.
but
I
used to finance that.
Yes, I borrow money from my life insurance policy to do it. But when you do that, you pay interest to somebody else. And when Nelson wrote the book, 34.5 cents of every dollar went to interest. When Barry James Dyke wrote Pirates of Manhattan, 43 cents of every dollar went to interest. Now, or as of 2020, almost 50 cents of every dollar goes to interest. That means you pay $1 for something, half of it's going to interest in some form or another.
Yeah.
And the death benefit will come as a result of actually just paying your life insurance premiums.
Yeah.
And like this is what's going to create that aspect of it. But like, we're young. We don't, I know if God forbid something happens to me, I have $10 million of death benefit. You'll be fine. You'll be great. You'll be set.
Be rich.
Yes, you'll be rich.
And I go travel the world. No, I'm kidding.
But like the reality is like if something happened, God forbid, people are like, well, I don't need anything. Like neither of us really needs that much money. But like why do people think that you have to have kids? And that why is that a myth?
Which is like people think that life insurance is only for whenever you die.
Yeah.
That's why I believe, because that's how I looked at it before. I knew it's only for whenever you die.
Yeah?
Yeah. So it's only for whenever you die. It's only for people who have kids to protect their kids. But there's more to it. There is a term policy that can just do that.
Yeah.
But that's not what we focus. That's not what infinite banking is.
No, I also think that a lot of people don't value their life. This is like a really important thing for me. Like, I just always wanted to leave behind a lot of people. Right? And this isn't really one of the myths.
Leave behind a lot of people?
Or not leave behind. Leave behind a lot of money to people. And this isn't really one of the myths or FAQs, but why is that? Like, why don't we care about what we leave behind? So many people don't think that way. Yeah, and it bothers me. What the whole purpose of living is to leave the world in a better place.
Yeah.
But
I think that's changed over the years in this world.
Yeah, it's just a thing of mine.